Decided to start doing school for the license that has to do with dog and cat grooming actually. And then once I started school, I switched over to here to the Hound Lounge to become my own groomer instead of the groomer's assistant. And I've been here for about 9 months. I'm finishing up my ninth month, and so far so good. Obviously, if I am working with dogs, I must like animals to a certain extent, but it's not so much that. It's more about let's see, like just helping. A lot of people think that the job is to just make a bunch of dogs look cute and all that stuff, when really, I would say 75% of our job is to make sure that they're healthy and that they feel good. It's not so much on how the owner wants them to look, it's more about what is best for the dog. And I've just seen a lot of circumstances where groomers are either worried about their money or they're more worried about pleasing the owner's eyeballs instead of just doing what is best for the dog. So now that I'm in that position, that's what I'm doing. And yeah, I've been doing it for a little while. I'm finishing up school now. I'm actually at the last part, so hopefully in about a couple months I'll be officially licensed and all that, and we'll see where it goes from there. Stay. I know that you're spaceman, be a good boy.
But I do all the grunt work really. I do the bathing, I dry them up, I hold down the dog if they need to be held in a certain position for him to actually groom them efficiently. Sometimes when we see dogs coming in, sometimes their fur is all matted and they're not happy with that. They're in pain. So I think grooming is an essential part of owning a dog.